Hello everyone, my name is Caroline, one of your CS411 CA. This is a sample for your final project and it's built by Dash Properly. Let me run it and show how your final project would work like. And copy the link here. Um, so the topic of my project is to help students find their research papers, directions, and the resources. I have totally 6 pages. For the first one, I have list top 5 popular areas based on the number of publications in areas and top 5 popular papers based on how many citations they have received in these top 5 popular areas. So you can move your mouse here to see more details, and after you click it, you can have a more sense about more information of each different articles like the title and how many citations they have received. For the second one, you can see the trend of different areas. Let's say you want to see the trend of deep learning. You can just input here and search. It will show a line graph. The x-axis is the year and the y-axis is the total number of publications in different years. Which I think could help students have a more clear sense about how popular the area is and help them to make a decision about the direction they have to work on. So let's say you are considering have research paper on deep learning or database. You can just input database here and search. To compare these two line graphs, you can clearly see that database is more popular topics than deep learning, based on the number of publications in these areas. Although it's not as popular as before in recent years, um, it's still a good choice to do that. For the next component, I have left top 5 first based on how many citations they have received and also the name of the paper or the which received the highest number of citations. After you decide which areas you should work on, it's time to find research resources. These two components will help you to do that. Um, as the title shows, this one, you can just input the areas and you can get all papers in these areas and ordered by the number of citations. Similar with the last component, um, this one requires you to input a specific professor's name and search it, click search. It will show a table like the last one. But since I used MongoDB for this one and it requires it to scan all the data, it would take quite a long time to do it. So let me explain the next component first. The last one is a citation list. It allows you to put the name of paper that you want to do citations. It's just like a to-do list, reminding you which paper you should do citations later. Let me try it. You can just put the name of it and click add. It will show here, and you can add as many as you want. Let's say you want to do that, and here you can see that. And after you finish your citation, you would like to empty the table and update the number of citations in your database. You can just click submit, and after you refresh, it would be empty, and you can see the number of citations would be updated in your database. Back to coding. I use Dash Plotly to build this whole project. If you don't have any experience with front-end development, you can choose Dash Poly to build your project, which just require you to know a little bit things about the HTML and some um, special grammar of Dash Poly like callback functions. If you want a good layout, you may want to know something about the CSS to like set a background color and build a good layout. Um, and if you have any question, you can just ask me. Thank you for watching.